Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to remove your profile picture from Happn dating app. It's a very simple process and we'll guide you through how to do it. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and download the Happn dating app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. If you are not already logged in, go ahead and log in with your credentials. Here I'm already logged in with my account, so you'll see this interface after you log in. Here you can see the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Once you're on your profile page, you can see the edit button right next to your profile picture. Tap on it. Here you'll see your profile picture along with your other details. So in order to remove your profile picture, you need to tap on edit button on the picture itself. Here I have two pictures in my account. So if I want to remove this, tap on the close button in every picture. After you remove your previous profile pictures, now you need to add new one. And then tap on continue. As you can see, my previous profile picture is now removed and I've added my new profile picture. So this is how you can remove your profile picture on Happn dating app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.